When we started the company, we wanted to be more than just moving and packing boxes and supplies. We wanted to give back to our community in a significant way. And we figured, what are the resources? What are the tools that we have that can influence and impact the community? And so we partnered up strategically with places that we can impact by using our tools and resources. So a couple of our partners are Alief ISD and the Children's Museum, where we partner with them to do fun events that involve cardboard materials. One of them is where they built box bots. Box bots are actually 2 cardboard boxes that we give them, where they take and they use their imagination to create robot-like structures. And ultimately, it benefits and recognizes their future development and education. We're also involved with the Houston Food Bank. How can we use our resources to be able to positively impact the community? Well, being able to use our trucks to make deliveries for the food bank is something that's very meaningful for us and we take great pride in. So when it's time to choosing a moving company, it's not only about the things that they do when it comes to their services, but how do they really impact the overall picture? For us, our core focus is humans helping humans. And what that means is creating stress-free experiences. And those stress-free experiences not necessarily have to be moving related, but they can be inspiring in a way to where we're leading by example, we're influencing, we're thinking outside the box, and allowing those that are in our community be a reflection of our core values.